people, back here on a quick water review. It's going to be a very quick one. The lighters are Ronson, so I'm not going to go on about the the background of Ronson. I have done a Ronson background story on them. Yeah, so here we are. It's an advertisement lighter again, so it'd be quite rare, I reckon, from 80s and 90s. Benson and Hedges. They'll have had a deal with Ronson, probably. Ronson at the bottom there, look. Very well made. Chunky barrels. You've got 5 chunky barrels there, with a thick pin going through it. The camera's rubbish, but you can still see the pin. Nice thick pin on it. I filled it about a week ago. Yeah, it's just, a very beautiful light to own. I got this about 2 weeks ago. I think this come with a JPS one that I'm going to do review on. There you go, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's got its own noise. I'll just show you. It's a Ronson, so it's a bit different. It's a lot lighter than the newer Ronsons I've been getting. It's also older. You've got on this one an hollowed out wheel. Pin going through it, so it's sort of see-through. You can see through the hole here. It's not filled in. That's a nice little thing. You see? But yeah, it's a beautiful lighter. Did fill it a few days ago, so it just needs a good little spark. There you go. Yeah, it is starting to run out, I think, a little bit. I've been using it for last week, but it's starting to run out a little bit. So it's probably been about a week and a half or something. I put a new flint in it and stuff. It's a gorgeous lighter. Let's see, it might not spark my cigarette that I've made. I'm on the halfway. I'll try and light it now, see how it goes. Might take a few sparks. It is running out, but we might get something out of it. There you go. You've got on front of here, established 1973 Old Bond Street, London. Filter, Benson and Hedges. So it's like the old gold packets that we used to get. Benson and Hedges. Beautiful. Plain inside, just a plain insert. It's like a rubber tap inlay at bottom there. Beautiful that though. Big barrel. It's more like they're sticking out at sides. They're that big on it. Very well made. No wobble at all on it. Nothing. No wobble at all on it because it's a solid hinge. Very solid. Yeah, I'm on the smoking bit of the halfway. Halfway. Yeah, try and get yourself one. They are getting a bit rarer, I think. I haven't looked for any more on there. I don't know if I've done my Benson Hedges Zippo one that I got on here. But I am going to do it. There you go, people. Quick review. I'm going to go and pick my brother up in a bit. From work. He finishes at 9. I'm going to go over and pick him up. There you go, Ronson. Beautiful make. Definitely one to keep your eyes out for. You know, there'll have been an advertising like they did Zippo and other companies. You know, they probably had a deal with Benson Hedges and Ronson. They'll have had a deal together. I haven't seen many on market. There might be more than I think, but there you go, people. That's your Benson Hedges. Ronson. Flip top, Zippo lighter. See you later, people.